Okay, it's May of 2011, and we have a tree full of cowbirds. They are up in the tree. They are in the tree and looking for cows. At any moment we could see a tree cow. These are cowbirds in the tree. Truly an amazing sight here in Central Florida, not far from the Space Coast. It's 7 a.m. May 10th. Make that June 10th and we'll all be happy. June 10th, 2011. Cowbirds. Earlier, I did see a cow in this tree, but he has climbed down. Central Florida cowbirds.
I like catching glimpses of the sun as it comes up. Are those spoonbills?
No, they are Central Florida cowbirds. Some people call them spoonbills. I reckon some people call them spoonbills, and some call them cowbirds. Most of the time, we have this tree loaded with buzzards.
There's one on the opposite side. Two there.
It's amazing.
There's a woodpecker up there.
One, two, three, four, five, six.
On the opposite side. The rest of them are males. Probably roosted there all night. Oh, there's fires. Look.